So my alarm for my medicine is about to go off, and my service dog is sleeping. Well, kind of sleeping, taking a nap. Anyways, my alarm's about to go off, and I want to catch it on video, her bringing my medicine to me when the alarm goes off. So we'll see what happens. Check back. What's going on? Her head should pop up around there. My medicine's there. Takes her a second to wake up. Good girl, bring here. Come on. Bring here. Come on. Can you do it? Good girl. I didn't get a great video, but I got it on video.